Hey guys, what's up? I'm just dropping a quick announcement to let you guys know that I have given some of my goodies to a friend of mine to use in their Extra Life stream. So this Saturday at 12 p.m. Central Time, I think because they're in Texas, they will be hosting a 24-hour live stream raising money for the Dell Children's Hospital. I'm going to be giving them a copy of my Creature Compendium as well as a couple of different posters signed, and then also the Creature Compendium will have a nice little drawing on the inside. And then the final prize I'm giving to them to use for their giveaway is a original ink sketch of your original character. So if you guys would like a chance to win any of those prizes, make sure to go over to their stream. I'm gonna have the links down in the description below. They also have a bunch of other really cool artists and other cool artworks that are gonna be available. So go check them out this Saturday. So 12 p.m. Saturday till 12 p.m. on Sunday, full 24-hour stream. And there's gonna be a lot of goodies that you can grab in their little giveaway. So yeah, go support my friends, go support Extra Life. And if you got a couple bucks to throw towards the kids, they would super appreciate it. All right, so that's it. Just a quick update. There's a lot of cool goodies that you guys are gonna be able to grab, and a great way to support the kids and support my friends as they raise money for the Dell's Children's Hospital. So thanks again, guys, and I will see you on Wednesday for a new video. Bye, everybody.